Yo, yo, yo. Anyways, yo, I made a video the other day talking about, I was like, I need a business loan, grant, or investor. And some fool is on there and said, oh, you're asking people for money, blah, blah. Shut up, man. Shut up. Watch the video. Don't just look at the title, you buffoon. You stupid fucking donkey. You know what I'm saying? So, I didn't even talk about in the video needing a fucking business loan, grant, or any of that shit. I didn't be like, oh, I need help. Like, people read the title and got twisted off that. I was like, bro, it's just a title. It has the word business in it. That, you know what I mean? Investor. These are key phrase keywords. You don't know how YouTube works, SEO, search engine optimization. You don't know how any of that shit works. You fools. You dumbass people. Anyways, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you guys. Basically, I'm going to show you guys all my online businesses right now. Okay? And show you exactly what the fuck I'm talking about when I'm talking about investments, business loans, grants, and things like that. Because once you see it for yourself, you are gonna be like, damn, that is actually impressive. And you know what? Excuse me. That is impressive. And here I go to take another sip of my cup. Anyways, that's impressive. And straight up, like, it's just impressive. It's dope, man. Like, check this out, bro. You want to see what I'm up to? You want to see what I'm capable of doing? And then you guys are gonna be like, bro, this guy's lying. No, I'm not lying. I have multiple online businesses, but it takes money to make money, and it takes an advertising budget. So I'm the CEO of Sincere Marketing British Columbia. If you Google that, Sincere Marketing British Columbia, you will see my website first on Google. And I'm not talking about the 3 ads that are in front. Those are called paid ads. That is not the first thing on Google for uneducated motherfuckers that are gonna go type that in and be like, your shit isn't the first. You idiot. Those are paid advertisements. You fool. There's always 3 slots at the beginning before the organic positioning from the first, you know what I mean? Like, the first position on Google is not considered one of the 3 slots of the ads because those are paid to be put there. It's not using SEO, search engine optimization, to find it and rank you number 1 on Google. So anyways, you can go check that out. I made the website. I did the SEO. I ranked it first on Google. I did these things. These are assets and skills that you have to acquire over years, periods of time, learning this shit through trial and error. You know what I'm saying? But I couldn't afford trial and error. You know what I'm saying? All that money I was making, bro. I was making like $600 to $1,000 a week some weeks. You know what I mean? I was feeding myself. I was fucking giving me money to do whatever I wanted. I would go and eat at nice restaurants and videotape. Bro, like, it was sick. And I did that on my own. I was earning money legitimately, you idiots. Listen to this stupid motherfuckers on here. Go get a job, you stupid fuck. Go get a business, idiot. That's what you need to do, you fool. You dumbass motherfucker. This guy's talking about go get a job. Bitch, go get a business. What's better than a fucking job? Your own business, idiot. Fucking poor mentality. That's it. All these people have is a poor mentality. You know what? Even if I stay poor for the rest of my life, at least my fucking mentality is rich. You know what I'm saying? I don't think like, get a job, be angry, be miserable, work, pay bills, be broke, hate on everyone that doesn't have a job, put people down. Fuck that. Loser, faggot, straight up loser. You know what I mean? Anyways, fuck all that shit, man. I'm gonna show you guys now all the online businesses that I have. Okay, like I said, I started a social media marketing agency. That's one of them. I've been in affiliate marketing for over 7 years. I was a level 1 seller on Fiverr.com. My services were audio engineering. I mix, edit, and master people's vocals. I'm a fucking ghostwriter for people. I couldn't believe it. I offered a service on Fiverr to be somebody's personal ghostwriter or writer. And people were ordering my gigs. $20, $20, $20, $20, $20. I'm like, yeah, right. 16 bars, boom, 1 verse, bam, send it to them. They loved it every time. I got 5-star reviews. It built my business up. Anyways, so there was that. I did SEO and I built websites. I did SEO for Wix websites to rank them on Google. People, I have ethical hacking skills. People paid me to do that, to retrieve certain information or infiltrate certain individuals. I don't give a fuck. Give me the money. I'll do the shit. Anyways, so there's that. And yeah, so yeah, the people that are always like, get a job, because they see me trying to make like money in a different way. You want me to get a job? Bitch, it's called sales, idiot. It's called independent sales associate, stupid. That is a job. It's called sales, dumbass. Online business, sales, online sales. Advertising, that's a fucking job. I'm a social media marketer, okay? I have a digital marketing agency, okay? In my name, I have a 1-800 number, okay? I have a fucking business number with a virtual assistant. You call my 1-800 number, bro, and it'll be like, hi, welcome to Sincere Marketing, British Columbia. Would you like to speak to the CEO, Corey? Or would you like to speak to one of the other employees, blah, blah, and then it lists them. And then it's like, press 2 to speak to Corey, press 1, da-da-da. You know what I mean? So I got that. And I make money off that service too. I make a $90 commission for each person that I sign up to that service, and I get them a business number. You know what I mean? So I hit up business owners and I say, yo, do you got a business number? They're like, oh, no, not really. I'm like, you got a virtual assistant? They're like, no. I'm like, well, you run a business, no? Yeah. Okay, well then clearly you need this. You know what I mean? Because you want to look professional to your clients and to your prospects that are interested in your services, products, or whatever you have to offer in your business / company / entity. All right. So yeah, these are all jobs, man. Like, you know what I mean? It does. I'm basically my own boss. I can earn money whenever I need money. You know what I mean? And it's not easy. It's not fucking easy, man. It's not easy at all. You know what I'm saying? I mean, first time I started doing this stuff, I didn't make no money for like the first 6 months. I was choked. But I learned so much in that 6 months, and I just couldn't understand how the fuck I failed. I was like, bro, there's no way. There's people making money out there, and there's got to be a way to do it. And if there is, I will find it, and I will do it. Because that's what it is. It's life or death for me, bro. I'm not a fucking slave working, labor working, fucking skinhead, pissed off piece of shit, fucking asshole, tatted up, fucking wannabe gangster biker on fucking rigged up on a fucking 150 fucking Ford pickup truck. Get the fuck out of here. Before I blast you in your shoot you in your fucking face, blood. Just fucking blow us, just take someone's half of their head right off, dog. BAM! Straight up. That's the way I feel about those fucking goof piece of shit, asshole, working, prideful, fucking skinhead, fucking goof motherfuckers that fucking prey on smaller motherfuckers than them. Smash them out and then celebrate with all their fucking juice monkey. But hey, yeah, we're fucking gangsters. We just punched out somebody fucking 5 times smaller. Shut the fuck up before your fucking face gets blown right off, goof. Thank you very much. There's my rant for the moment. You know what I'm saying? So be it. You don't like it? I don't give a fuck. Anyways, today's one of those days. You know what I mean? But I did want to show you guys, and I am going to show you the online businesses, but I did want to address all that stuff. People saying they get a job and shit, like, bitch, get a business. You know what I'm saying? Stupid boy. Anyways, and that's the thing, bro. Look at the people that go to college. Bro. They're not balling. They don't got gold chains and fucking gold rings, and they're balling in the club, scooping bitches, and like fucking, doing all this shit. But guess what? Those little IT motherfuckers that were broke, you see them with their bummy ass clothes. These motherfuckers are in their mid-20s going to fucking university, college, and these motherfuckers are still bummy ass motherfuckers. I'm like, damn. I'm 16 years old, stealing whips, kicking doors in, doing B&E, selling drugs. I got a pocket full of money. I got nice clothes, nice brand new shoes, everything. I pull up flexing. I don't even got parents. They're like, what the fuck? How's a 16-year-old kid moving like that? What are you doing, kid? Don't worry about it. I get my fucking shit. I get my money. I get my clothes. I get my shoes. I get my food. And I'm 16 years old. I do it by my fucking self. As I'm like a man doing man shit that could put me in fucking jail for man years. You wanna be a fucking man at 16? You're gonna fucking get what you ask for. And I did. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't ask to have to be a man at 16. No, that's the difference. I was thrown out in the fucking street to survive with the fucking wolves, buddy. You know what I mean? I did all right. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's jump over to these businesses and actually show you the insides of them, how they work, and get into into depth detail of how this shit works, and show you guys my vision. You know what I mean? And this is beautiful. Like I said about these college students, what I was talking about, my point with that is that, you know what, they're going to be rich one day, but they were broke the whole fucking time you guys were getting money at your little 9 to 5 jobs. You're like, oh, get a job, you fucking bum, you got money to do whatever you want on the weekend, you got your little, you got your shit. You see these guys that you're like, oh, what a loser, he's like 20 something years old on his way to fucking college with his little backpack, with his fucking bummy ass tiger, what do you call that, fucking knockoff fucking store, something tiger. Anyways, whatever. Giant tiger, fucking clothes, you know what I mean? But guess what? That motherfucker was focused the whole time. He was broke the whole time you were getting your little 9 to 5 money, thinking you're the shit. He was broke the whole fucking time, training his mind. And guess what? That motherfucker was IT fucking app developer, fucking Apple fucking employee. That motherfucker's making more than you ever will for the rest of your fucking life, you stupid bitch. And all because you said go get a job, you fucking idiot. I would rather be broke, be humbled, and be fucking poor until I become fucking rich than fucking work my ass off for peanuts, develop a fucking egotistical state of mind that will not serve me and give me nothing but pride and fucking self-destruction and fucking hate in my heart. You know what I mean? Or I can pursue what I'm actually like doing, and you know what? Even if I only make $80 here, $80 there, $80 there, guess what? I made that money by myself, figured this shit out by myself in the fucking Matrix, off the internet, and that shit went in my bank, and it wasn't a lie. Shit was not a pyramid scheme, it was not a fucking scam, it was none of that shit. I made money since 2012 with this multiple companies, but mainly MCA. I'll leave links to all of my business. This time, all the links are going to be there for all of my business. I have a clothing line. I have a social media marketing agency. I have multiple affiliate companies that I work for. Cloud Phone is one of them. I make $90 commissions for each person I bring to that for the 1-800 number virtual assistant. It's friggin' dope. I'm going to show you guys that too. It's gonna be a dope video. You guys are gonna really see what I have going on, man. I'm doing drop shipping on eBay. I'm doing drop shipping, bro. This is the thing. You guys think I'm telling you all this shit, and they're like, "Oh, where's all your fucking money then? You fucking bum. Get a job." Shut up for it. I just wish somebody would say something to me to my fucking face, bro. It's only the internet. You know what I'm saying? I go outside all the time. I'm out there, bro. Nobody said nothing in my face, bro. Nobody. Even if I'm talking my shit, nobody will hype up and say nothing to me. Unless it's some 300-pound juice monkey that did 10 years in the fucking pen. Those are the only guys that challenge me. Those are the only people that want to fight me. Is fucking pen timers that are fucking 20 times my size, jacked up, juiced out with fucking tats. Straight psycho monster fucking savage with a fucking couple tats. Fucking teardrops. Like, what? Okay, check this out, motherfucker. BAM! Alright. You know what I mean? Like, that's what it really comes down to. Shit's hilarious. Anyways, and I'm not joking here. But, I'm getting off topic. But this is my channel. I do whatever the fuck I want. And I feel good today. So, again, I want you guys to understand the vision. You guys are going to see what I got going. This is why I need a business loan grant or other opportunities, sponsorship opportunities. You know, but I'm too ghetto for that, obviously. But I will find a way regardless, you know what I mean? But anyways, yeah, that was my point, you know. The people that, you know, you see that don't have money right now because they ain't working their little 9 to 5s because they're building a fucking asset that is going to give them a career that is going to have abundance in fucking wealth and in financial, you know, finances. When you're just, get a job, get a fucking job. Go back to McDonald's. Shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So, core resilient. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. and share this video and tag 10 people just randomly just to piss somebody off. Thank you very much. Stay resilient. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys all the different businesses that I'm involved in, different ways that I can potentially make money and have made money. So I just want to show you guys, this is my clothing store. So check this out. My internet's kind of slow, so hang in there. Brazilian apparel. Brazilian apparel clothing is the full name. Anyways, so you can see, you know, I made this design. Well, I paid for it from Fiverr. I don't need a gun. I got Jesus. Bam, that's huge. Be resilient. That's huge. You know what I mean? Nice hoodie. I am resilient. Boom. You know what I mean? This is for the ladies. I am resilient. Their pants. You know what I'm saying? You can get I am resilient phone cases, a pillow, Law of Attraction hoodie, Law of Attraction shirt, I am resilient beach towel. That's sick. Bushcraft master t-shirt. I made all these by myself. Well, obviously you can put the I didn't make the artwork really. Just the ideas and you know the titling, everything. Anyway, so boom, bushcraft stuff. You know what I mean? Yoga is my healing hoodie. Yoga is my healing t-shirt for for women. Hashtag just resilient. Hashtag just resilient for the hoodie. Bible verse hoodies, mugs, coffee mugs, boom. Different sweaters, bags, socks. I am resilient socks. You know what I'm saying? Swag. What's this? I always believed in me. Hashtag resilient. It's a good idea, eh? You guys love this stuff, man. Don't lie to me. Anyways, boom. A huge blanket. I am resilient blanket. You can have a blanket that says I am resilient. Law of Attraction. Sticker landscape thing you can put on your wall, or whatever you call that. A big blanket you can hang on the wall. Anyway, so this is my clothing line. Let's go on. Let's move on. Let's go to let's look at my eBay drop shipping. Alright, this is what I'm doing for eBay drop shipping. You guys are probably like, what the fuck? How do you know how to do all this shit? Anyways, this is what I'm doing. I posted these products from because I found them from another source that was a good price that I could make a profit margin. And it's all by chance, really. You might not get anything going, but I actually posted some purses one day, and $180 fucking purse that somebody bought, some chick bought, and that was my first sale, and I was like, what? It was just so random. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just do something random. I'm like, what do people need? I'm like, yo, women need purses, guaranteed. I'm like, alright, where are they gonna buy purses? They're gonna fucking buy this shit off eBay. So I'm like, alright. So then, boom, you know what I mean? So you'll sell these products for like $100 more than what you can drop ship them for. So, you know what I mean? This is on my eBay. These are my products, right? Shows you the views. And then, what you'll do is you go to Amazon. You'll find this product. Let's say this Night Fox, blah blah, night vision goggles that really actually work. I looked up the video on that, the review. They're actually legit. They work really good. And yeah, see, let's say if it says it's $100 on Amazon, you sell it for $200 on eBay. Somebody will fucking buy it. It's just impulse. People don't sometimes compare prices and shit. That's just the beauty of drop shipping on eBay. Anyway, so there's that. Now here's another. This is affiliate marketing. This is an affiliate marketing company that I have been with since 2012. They're a roadside assistance company. They pay $80 per commission plus residuals on your downline, and also over $150,000 worth of benefits, including roadside assistance. So you get health insurance, life insurance, discounts up to 40% on dental, prescription, vision, just hospital bills,
They'll pay for attorneys, so you're covered for attorneys. Your MCA will bail you out of jail up to $25,000 if you're involved in a vehicle-related crime. Like you accidentally ran someone over and killed them and got manslaughter. You'll get bailed out so you can fight that case appropriately. And then they'll pay for your attorney fees and your hospital fees if you got fucked up in that accident. So it's a really good company. They have it's just unlimited the amount of benefits that you're access to, like discounts on hotels up to 40%. I used it, it worked. You know what I mean? I got somebody's tow or car towed, their shit messed up or whatever. Yeah. So anyways, this is the website for this. So I'll leave the link for this. You know, get paid to use Facebook. So you're basically promoting a company. You get paid $80 per commission. I was pulling 5 to 10 of those a week. That's fucking $500 to $1,000 a week, right? And they're accredited with BBB, Better Business Bureau. They got an A+ rating, so they're a legitimate company. All the companies that I have worked with and worked for are legitimate companies that are accredited with Better Business Bureau. And if you know what Better Business Bureau, if you don't know what Better Business Bureau is, BBB.org, you're not qualified to fucking watch this video. Go somewhere else. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, there's that. So you know, then there's the video that you watch.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
That educates you.
In this video, I'm going to explain to you how MCA works and how you can start making money from home today. So let's get started. So what is MCA? MCA stands for Motor Club.
Exactly. I forgot to mention that once you sign up, you get your own membership card with your first and last name on it, your ID number. Yeah, so you can use that card to, you know, show people that you're with this company, blah, blah. There's a lot more involved with the card. That's your benefits card. You'll get your benefits package in the mail as well. But that's a bail bond too. That card, it's like instant bail. I don't know nothing about that. But yeah, hear this.
America, and we are a roadside assistance company. We're those guys that come to your rescue when you need a battery boost, a tire change, lockout service, towing service, and much more. The cost of the membership is only $40 one time and $20 a month. That's it. You're going to receive a membership card in the mail with your name in the back and your ID number. And anytime that you need assistance, all you have to do is call the number on the back of the card, and MCA will send out help at no additional cost. Step number 2, you can become an associate, which is what I am, and earn $80 for each membership referral. And how that works, you're going to have a website similar to mine, and for every person that registers through your website and pays the full...
Okay, so and this guy, man, he's a multi-millionaire from this company. This young kid, man, driving around Lambos and shit. There was a couple young guys that killed it. What they did was they took probably $1,000. They made a video. This video right here. He probably made this video. He dropped $1,000 behind it in Facebook advertising. With that budget, you would be able to reach at least 1.3 million people. And let's say you even got 1,000 signups out of that 1.3 million people, because that is a realistic number percentage out of that number, 1.3 million. That's beyond realistic. You should be able to get 1 to 10,000 signups with numbers like that, depending on the content of your video and the quality of your video and how good you are with sales and delivery. But excuse me, but bottom line is, yeah, that's how all that works. I lost my train of thought. But anyways, yeah, so okay, so you make a video, you reach 1.3 million people with that. Let's say you got 1,000 signups, that's $80,000, man. And these guys were doing that like on a weekly, monthly basis. You know what I mean? So that's the thing. But they were advertising. People don't know about that though. These guys were literally, they're advertising. You know what I mean? And they're reaching a lot more people with small amounts of money, and then you make a lot of money off that. Okay, so anyways, there's that lesson. You know what I mean? I'm just going to show you a little bit more. right? You can sign up. You guys are interested, man. Seriously, I recommend doing this. I'm telling you, I will help you. See, there's one of my videos there on this website. I made the website, my website. I would recommend that you guys try this out, man, straight up. If not for the benefits, you know what I mean, of the company, or like making money with the company. You know what I mean? Like this is like the training wheels to making money online. Like this is the easiest way that you're gonna make money. You get training, you get benefits. You know what I mean? Um, there's testimonials. Like the sign up process is like takes 2 minutes. Like it's super quick and easy. I'll help you with that. If if anybody's interested, man, I'm telling you, I've made thousands with this company. I'll just show you some payments right now, real quick. I got like 4 more businesses to show you right now. It's playing funny. But I'll show you, some payments that I've gotten with the company. Unless they cleared them. They clear them every once in a while. Hold on. No, here they are. Here's, you know what I mean? Like, here's some, anyways. Because I had another account where I made a lot more money on. But anyway, see, like, this is in one day. Like, each one of these is just in one day. Like, some of them are 2 in the same day. Like, you know what I mean? Like, some of it is all scattered all over the place. You know what I mean? But bottom line is, this is real, bro. Like, this is money that I made easily. I made $154 in one day. I made $77 in one day. $231 in one fucking day. $86 in one day. $77, $163. Bro, it's not a joke. 81, 95, 316, bro. Like, I'm not playing, dog. Like, I was this one day. You don't get it. This is worth it, man. This fucking saved my life, bro. Like, literally saved my life, man. Like, I have been in situations where I was like, oh my god, how the fuck am I gonna eat this month? What am I gonna do? Like, everything failed. Like, I applied for a million jobs, denied. Fucking, like, it's sickening. You know what I mean? And then I found, God bless me, man. He really did. So anyways, there's that. So this is the back office you're gonna get once you guys sign up. You're gonna get your card, your benefits package in the mail. I'm telling you, this is something you should do. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna leave the links in the description. Don't be a fool. I would tell you to go to the website, man. Contact me. Hit me up on Facebook, Core Resilient on Facebook. Hit my email. Send me an email. Let's get this going for you, man. Let's like straight up. This is a lifesaver, and it's easy, man. If I can fucking do it, you can do it. So don't make no excuses. Straight up, every fucking day you could be making at least $80 a day, simply. You know what I mean? And you get paid weekly. So I'm telling you, man, you get benefits and everything. Yeah. So now let's move on. So I showed you my clothing line. I showed you my dropshipping eBay. I showed you my affiliate marketing. Here's another affiliate marketing company that I'm with called CloudFoam. This is where you get your 1-8 number, your toll-free phone number, which I will show you mine. And yeah. Just give me a sec. Remember, Sincere Marketing British Columbia is the name of my social media marketing agency. So anyways, this is where I would see sales, stuff like that. I just became an affiliate of this company. So, same thing. You get paid $90 to $350 per commission, depending on how many you pull in that month. You could bring 30 sign-ups in that month. Well, now it just went from 90 per sign-up to fucking 350 because you brought so many in for the month. Bonuses. So that's a serious amount of money. What's $350 times fucking 30? Like, you know what I mean? Like, and you can do that in a week, a month with this company, with this service. Like, it's just, everybody needs it. It's, a 1-800 business number. If you're a business owner, independent sales associate, independent business owner, small business owner, entrepreneur, social media marketer, any of that shit, a fucking rapper, like, you pretty much need a fucking legit 1-800 business number for people to link that links to your cell phone, because it makes you look like a boss, right? So there's that right there. Like I said, I could make videos promoting these companies, drop $1,000 behind each one, and I'm reaching millions of fucking people. Not to mention the organic amount of reach that I get from that. That's paid reach. 1.3 million people have paid reach with $1,000. Organically, you're going to reach another 7 million from that, because that 1.3 million is going to share that, or a percentage of that 1.3, and that's when you reach a larger percentage of people, and they're going to share it. When you're reaching that much people on that scale, on that level scale, and you're paying for it, Facebook honors that, favors that, and you will benefit financially from that. But anyways, that's how you get rich. I get 1,000 signups in a month easily if I had an advertising budget, if I had a business loan, if I had a grant. I have, through trial and error, learned through the money I've spent in advertising. Even for real estate agents, I was working for real estate agents, running advertising to generate them leads, which generates them clients. They get 2.5 to 3% off each sale, which is anywhere from $4,000 and $90,000 that they're making per client that I bring them through a lead generation form, through Facebook advertising, through my social media marketing agency. Okay, this shit is not a joke. I'm very educated when it comes to this, and this is legit. So, anyways, then I got ClickBank. So, I got a couple products on ClickBank that I'm advertising. So I think you guys are aware of what ClickBank is. I don't know. I haven't made any money with ClickBank yet. I just started doing it, but I'm just keeping everything open. You know what I mean? Because when I do get an advertising budget, what do you think I'm going to do? It's a very serious amount of money. And here's another affiliate program that I'm going to get with Line Card, which is basically taking your credit card or taking your debit card and basically encoding it in 24 karat fucking gold. And then you get a metal card back. You get a 24 karat metal card back. It's metal. You drop it, ding, ding, ding. You know what I mean? Celebrities get this shit. You know what I mean? Like, it's dope to pull out a gold fucking 24 karat gold metal fucking credit card or debit card. That's a flex. That's a boss flex. See, that's the card. It is a lot of money. It's like $200 to $300, but it's pimp, and I can make a lot of money with this flexing my card online. The people will want it, and people will buy it, and I will make money. So, anyways, there's all that. Let's show you my business. Let's show you how my cloud phone business number works. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, this is how it works. Hold up. How do I want to do this? Okay, so I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it.
Show you what it sounds like.
Thank you for calling Sincere Marketing British Columbia. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Press 1 to speak to CEO Corey Weekend. Press 2 for CEO Jordan L. or press 9 to leave a voicemail. Press star to repeat this menu.
Boom. So then somebody wants to, talk to the CEO. You press 1. That's
Your
extension.
Forwarded to the voicemail for Corey Weekend. At the tone, please record your message.
Okay, so it went, obviously, because I'm on my phone, it went straight to my voicemail.
So that's how that works. And hold on, what was I gonna show you? I just want to make sure I show YouTube channel and okay, yeah, hold on. So then on here, when I show you Sincere Marketing British Columbia, you search that. See, I told you there's 3 ads always on Google, which, okay, there's 4, which do not count. Where my website is first on Google. That does not count as first as Google because people are paying to get that position. I am not. I earned it through SEO, organic, whatever. So, yeah, okay, what else? Okay, so boom, Facebook, I'll show you guys my music. I'm Blue Badge verified on Facebook as SincereMuzic. I'm on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Apple Store, everything. My music's there. You can Google SincereMusic. Here I am. This is my shit. You know what I'm saying? It's my website. You know, there's me right there. You know, boom. But I lost access to this page. They shut me down and took all my profiles away randomly because I started exposing the truth. But other than that, down right, you got my YouTube channel. Right, you got my YouTube channel. Corey Resilient. So these are all the different business things that I'm involved in. See, 32,000 views. You know, I got a video that has over 60,000 views. I just type the first thing and boom, it comes up. Right here, 61,000 views. It's about gang stalking. If you don't know what that is, you can look into it, whatever. Look up the video. Stuff. It is legit. It is real. But yeah, man. See, like, I'm sure I got more. I do have more stuff. But that's cool, man. Like, you know, like people don't realize, man. Like, I have so much potential. It is disgusting. It's disgusting. I could just change the world, man. You know, see this guy Corey Panico? He was just in a little pump video. West Side Gang Sign, they be throwing at me. Anyways, yeah, that's me. Just flexing, talking shit. This guy right here, he was just in a little pump video, man. I talk to him all the time. It's my boy. He's out in fucking LA. Yo, look at this. I'll show you. Hold up. Little pump. Murder Beats, man. This, I couldn't believe it, man. He's like, yo, and it's got 1.2 million 3 days ago, bro. Yo, my boy is actually in the fucking video, bro. Like, he's hilarious too, man. Shout out to Corey, man. My G out there in LA. Bro, this is heavy.
When I go shopping, murder in the beat, so it's not nice. When I go shopping, I buy everything I see. What you want? I want that padded for me. I want a bitch with double D's. Look in my backyard, it's South Beach. I spent like 20 bands on lean.
Okay, he's coming up. Hold on. You're gonna see him. He's wearing a chain. Hold on. Right there. That's him right there. That's my boy Corey right there. Look at this.
I just went on a shopping spree. You wanna get geek? Come on. Smash on a dish and a tampon.
Anyways, that's hilarious, bro. I can't believe homeboy's in a fucking video, man. He's an actor and that's what he does professionally. He went to LA to pursue that, man. And now he's in fucking videos that get millions of views with fucking celebrities, so pretty cool, man. He went from homeless to doing that, so I salute that shit, man. Resilience. Other than that, I'm gonna stop this video. It's way too long. But yeah, that's just an insight, guys, on the things that I'm capable of doing. But it takes money to make money, and I can only make a small amount of money doing what I'm doing unless I can scale it, and it takes money to do that. So that's why I talked about that, needing a business loan or a grant. I wasn't begging for money. I can make money. You know what I'm saying? This is Fiverr, by the way. This is another thing that I was making money on by doing my audio engineering, SEO, writing for people, and creating websites, and also giving my advice. People were paying me $50 a pop for my advice, telling them how I got verified on Facebook. Okay, so I know how to brand and build companies and have them verified. Big sources. Here's the page, to my social media marketing agency. That's verified as well, but it's gray badge because it's a company organization. But anyways, man, yeah, this is all facts, bros. You know what I mean? This is my stuff. You know what I mean? That's what I do. So, see, there's my 1-800 number, my Gmail for this company, my website that I made. So anyways, man, yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. I just want to show you guys this. But stay up, man.